The interesting story that they always tell is both sides of the family, while my grandfather was observant, his children were not, neither was my mother's family. So they were part of the left-wing movement, and my mother, when she was 30 years old, which was in 1935, was not married. Her mother was nudging her all the time about needing to get married, and so she decided that she and her friend were going to go to see what the Soviet Union was like. And as long as they were going to do that, she went back to Pietrikov, Trybunalski, where she had grown up, and stayed with her uncle, who was my father's father. And my father was actually 6 years younger than my mother, and so when she left, she was 13 and he was 7 at the time. And so essentially she got to know him as an adult, and they fell in love, but she wasn't sure, so she went back to the United States, and then they corresponded and decided she really wanted that they get married. And so she had to go back to Poland in 1936, had to go across Germany by train in 36, which was quite a thing, for them to get married, and then they came to back to the United States as part of it.